welcome to this guided meditation, your moment to pause, breathe, and reconnect with yourself. Together, we'll embark on a journey to clear your mind, calm your spirit, and awaken a sense of inner peace. Whether you're just starting with meditation or have practiced for years, this experience is tailored to meet you exactly where you are today. Find a quiet, comfortable space where you can fully relax. Gently close your eyes, take a deep breath in through your nose, and let it out slowly through your mouth. Feel the weight of your day begin to fade as we step into this moment of stillness. Let's begin. Grounding yourself. First, let's start by grounding yourself, wherever you are, whether it's sitting on a comfortable chair, a soft cushion, or directly on the floor. Allow your body to relax and settle into the surface beneath you. Feel the sensation of support under you. Notice how effortlessly it holds your weight, as though it's always been ready to catch and comfort you. Now, close your eyes gently if it feels right. Take a deep, calming breath in, and as you exhale, let your shoulders drop and your body soften. Picture roots gently growing from the base of your spine and the soles of your feet. Imagine these roots reaching downward, pushing through layers of soil and earth, finding strength and stability in their connection to the ground. Feel the energy of the earth rising through those roots, nourishing you and keeping you firmly anchored in the present moment. It's as if the earth itself is wrapping you in a warm, steady embrace, reminding you that you are supported no matter what. Let this visualization fill you with a deep sense of safety and security. As you stay connected to the earth, let go of any mental clutter. Picture those racing thoughts or nagging worries flowing down through your roots, where the earth absorbs them, leaving your mind lighter and clearer. Breath awareness. Now gently bring your focus to your breath. Don't try to change it, simply notice it. Feel the cool, refreshing air as it enters your nostrils. Follow its path as it moves down into your lungs, expanding your chest and belly. Hold it there for a brief moment, savoring the stillness, and then slowly exhale, releasing the air back into the world. Imagine each inhale as a wave gently rolling onto the shore, bringing with it calmness and renewal. As you exhale, envision the wave retreating, carrying away tension, stress, or anything you no longer need in this moment. Let this rhythm, inhale, exhale, become your anchor. If your mind begins to wander, don't worry. That's completely natural. Instead of judging yourself, gently guide your attention back to your breath. Use each inhale as a reminder to return to the present, and each exhale as an opportunity to let go of distractions. Feel how your breath connects you to the world around you. The air you breathe is shared by all living things. It flows through trees, across oceans, and back to you. With each breath, you are part of something larger, and that connection can bring a profound sense of peace. Scanning your body now, let's take a mindful journey through your body. Begin at the very top of your head. Notice how this area feels. Is there tension, a sense of lightness, or perhaps no sensation at all? There's no need to label these feelings as good or bad. Just observe them as they are. Slowly move your attention down to your forehead. If you feel tightness here, imagine your breath flowing to this area. With each exhale, let your forehead soften, as if the air is gently smoothing out any furrows. Feel your eyebrows relax, your eyes resting in their sockets, and your jaw unclenching. Shift your focus to your neck and shoulders, where so many of us carry the weight of our stress. Visualize this tension melting away, as though warm sunlight is shining on these areas, loosening and releasing any tightness. Picture your shoulders dropping slightly, no longer carrying unnecessary burdens. Move down to your arms, noticing any sensations in your upper arms, elbows, forearms, and hands. Feel the stillness, tingling, or warmth here. If your hands are resting on your lap, notice how they feel against your thighs or each other. Allow them to be completely at ease. Now, bring your awareness to your chest and heart area. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your chest with each breath. Imagine your heart space as a glowing light, radiating warmth and gratitude. Thank this area of your body for all it does to keep you alive and energized. Continue scanning down to your stomach, noticing if there's any tightness or discomfort. Invite this area to relax, allowing your belly to expand freely with each breath. Move your attention to your hips, thighs, and knees, visualizing these strong, supportive parts of your body releasing tension with each exhale. Finally, bring your awareness to your lower legs, ankles, feet, and toes. These parts of your body carry you through life, step by step. Notice how they feel right now: heavy, light, warm, or cool. Imagine each exhale washing over them like a soothing wave, leaving them completely relaxed. Mindfulness exercise. Let's turn our attention inward to the thoughts that drift through your mind. Imagine your thoughts as if they were clouds in the sky, some light and fluffy, others darker and more pronounced. Instead of trying to chase them away or hold on to them, simply observe. Notice their shapes, sizes, and how they move. Just like clouds, thoughts are temporary, always passing and changing. Allow yourself to acknowledge each thought without judgment. If a particularly strong thought arises, perhaps a worry or something on your to-do list, greet it gently, as if saying, "I see you," and then let it drift away. There's no need to cling to it or push it away. Simply let it come and go as it pleases. As you continue, bring your focus back to your breath. Let each inhale and exhale become an anchor to the present moment, reminding you that you are here, right now. This practice doesn't aim to empty your mind, but rather to create space for stillness amidst the flow of thoughts. By noticing and releasing these mental clouds, you're clearing the sky of your mind, allowing for greater clarity and calm. Visualization. Now let's move into a visualization exercise to deepen your sense of peace and renewal. Close your eyes if they aren't already, and imagine a warm, golden light gently enveloping your body. This light is soft and radiant, like the glow of a sunrise. It symbolizes peace, calm, and a deep sense of renewal. As you take a slow, deep inhale, imagine this golden light flowing into your body, filling your chest, your lungs, and every cell with warmth and tranquility. With each exhale, picture the light pushing out any tension, stress, or worry. Let it carry away the heaviness, leaving you lighter and more at ease. Visualize this light spreading through your entire body, from the top of your head down to the tips of your toes. Feel it filling every part of you, your head, neck, shoulders, arms, torso, legs, and feet, like a warm, soothing wave. Imagine this golden glow melting away any lingering discomfort or negativity, leaving behind a sense of calm and balance. Stay in this visualization for a few moments. Imagine yourself radiating this golden light, not only feeling its peace, but also sharing it with the world around you. You are now a vessel of calm, renewed, and ready to embrace whatever comes your way. Affirmation for a mindful reset. To close this practice, let's solidify your mindful reset with an affirmation. Take a moment to repeat these words, either silently in your mind or aloud. I am calm. I am centered. I am ready to embrace this moment with peace and clarity. As you say these words, feel their meaning resonate within you. Let them become a truth that you carry forward. Repeat the affirmation as many times as you need, allowing its soothing power to ground you further in this state of mindfulness. When you're ready, take a final deep breath in, filling yourself with calm and positivity, and exhale slowly, releasing any remaining tension. Open your eyes gently and smile softly, knowing that you've given yourself the time and care to reset and recharge. This peaceful state is always within you, ready to be accessed whenever you need it. Let's bring this meditation to a gentle close. Begin by taking a deep, cleansing breath in. Feel the air fill your lungs, expanding your chest and bringing with it a sense of renewal. Hold it for a moment, savoring this stillness, and then slowly exhale, releasing any remaining tension or lingering distractions. As your breath steadies, begin to reawaken your body. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes, feeling the energy flow back into them. Notice the subtle sensations in your hands and feet, a reminder of the connection between your mind and body. Allow this small movement to anchor you in the present moment, bridging the calm of your meditation with the activity of your day ahead. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Let the light and colors of your surroundings return to your awareness. Take a moment to adjust, savoring the peaceful clarity you've cultivated during this meditation. Feel the calm and mindfulness you've built radiating through you, like a quiet strength that you carry forward. As you transition back into your day, remember this: you hold the power to reset your mind and reclaim your peace whenever you need it. This sense of calm and clarity is always within reach. You've just proven to yourself that even a few moments of mindfulness can transform your state of being. Thank you for allowing yourself this time to pause and reset. Thank you for joining me in this practice. May the peace you found here stay with you, guiding you through the rest of your day with grace and mindfulness.